Hi everybody. Today I am going to introduce a simple software to calculate the failure envelopes of Mohr's circles obtained from triaxial experiments on rocks or soil samples. As you know, finding the tangent or cover curve of the Mohr circle is an important issue in rock and soil mechanics laboratories. There are several different methods to draw the cover curve tangent to failure circles. For example, you can use the RockLab or Rock Data softwares to obtain this curve based on Coulomb linear regression or power law interpolation or Hawk-Brown-Balmer equations. But in this video, I'm going to introduce a new technique and a simple software to find the equation of cover curve tangent to Mohr's failure circles obtained from rocks or soil triaxial tests. You can freely download the software from the link below the video. The software is a simple GUI application which is developed in MATLAB. After downloading the software, you can also run the M-file code in MATLAB, or you can use the 64-bit installable file and use it easily. If you want to run the M-file code, first you should open the MATLAB and load the M-file into editor section and run it. Okay, now it's ready to use. As you can see, here there is several push buttons, text boxes, plot areas and a table. First, you should load the triaxial test data. There is two ways to load data. You can put the data manually in this table. Actually, you can see the first column of the table is sigma 3 or confining stress values, and the second column belongs to sigma 1 or axial stress values. If the table's rows are not sufficient, you can add some extra rows using Insert Row button. Another way to load data is that you can use the Load Data push button. Then you can select the triaxial test result data file in text format. Okay, after loading the data, immediately you can draw more failure circles. For this purpose, just press the Plot More Circles push button. For example, in the first step, I want to draw columns cover line on circles. First, I have to run the regression analysis on sigma 3 and sigma 1 data. Then, just press the plot reg of sigma 3 sigma 1 push button. Now, we can draw the tangent line to circles via Coulomb's method. As you can see, this blue line is the failure envelope of Mohr's circles. Also, you can change the parameter of this cover line to reach better fit. For this purpose, you can use tools in here, in Manual Better Fit panel. In addition, some important parameters such as internal friction angle, equation and uniaxial compressive strength of samples are illustrated on the figure. On the other hand, you also can use Hawk-Brown criterion based on Balmer equations to calculate the data points of non-linear cover curve on Mohr circles. In this method, firstly, the Hawk-Brown constant named Mi must be calculated using regression analysis of triaxial test data. In order to do this, you could just press the Calculate Mi push button here. Results are shown in below, left plot area here. Now, you can draw the Hawk-Brown-Balmer cover curve by pushing the Plot Hawk Curve button. Okay, as you saw, it was pretty easy. Now, let's go to introduce our new parabolic cover curve. We know that finding the equation of the tangent of the general equation of a curve set is a solved problem in mathematics. Therefore, in rock mechanics, if we consider the system equation of Mohr circles as a general differential equation, the unusual answer of this differential equation is the equation of cover curve or failure envelope. of Mohr circles, which is known as failure criterion. In order to apply this finding to rect mechanics, we have to find the correlation between centers of Mohr circles and the square of radius of those circles. In this software, we use linear regression analysis to find the relationship between these two parameters. You can calculate the regression parameter while clicking on plot regression of C and R square. Okay, here you can see the results. The correlation coefficient is about 99% and it seems okay. Now we can calculate the equation of failure envelope of Mohr circles. First, let's clear figure. Okay, just press the plot MohrCoverCurve push button. Parabolic failure envelope is drawn here, and the equation of this cover curve is written here. Also, you can manually change the goodness of fitness using these buttons here in manual beta fit panel. Therefore, visually you can improve the failure envelope. Okay, there are some extra buttons here. You can compare the results obtained by these three methods. Also, you can save the plot data in current directory using this button. Export all plot data. If I press it, the text appears here, which says the results were exported. In addition, you can save the plots as a MATLAB figure file in your desired directory. And finally, if you have questions or need some help, use the email addresses and contact me. You can also just press this button and follow this project via ResearchGate. Thank you very much for watching this video.